See now, because there are no issues here, system is not showing any list here. If there was some MRP issue because of which MRP is not run, then system would not have shown any issue here. So some list would have been shown here. Okay, that select it. No, if you click on the solve issue, system will also propose this is the thing you can do to solve the issue. For many items it will show, for some item it may not show. Then what is that error? You have to put into Google and find out what could be the issue. Okay, now using that green back, go back. Right now you click on the stock requirements list.
MDO4. Oh no.
See, now it is showing list of all the materials here. It's showing all the materials list here. Okay, now you select all. How do you select all?
This one, sir.
Select all. Now there is a select stock requirement list on the top. Yes, click on this. So here you can see that MD04 for each item one by one. And there is a.
Sir, can you just repeat the steps, sir? This previous two steps, sir.
That use that green screen, go back. Yes.
Okay, sir. And one more, no, sir?
One more step, go back.
Oh, do you really want to leave the overview? Yes, sir. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we are in the MRP output page. Okay. We run MRP, we are in the MRP output page. Now I want to see the stock requirement list of these items. See, these are the things you can see separately also. But you want to continue from the same transaction, you can use these options. Now you selected this line item, no? Go and select the stock requirement list. Now it is bringing us to the overall stock requirement list. See, in that reading, you see that stock requirement is material list. It is showing stock requirement material list. Top. Focus on what we are telling.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
Then select all the lines. How do you select all the lines?
Yeah, click this icon.
You
select
click this
all.
icon. So system is selecting all the items there. Now you go on the selected stock requirement list. There is option with the display. Click on this. Now we are getting this list. Okay. In this list now, what do you see? Here,
this, yeah.
The different demand of each product.
Those things leave it. Now you are having this first item, that MRP MD04 here. You go to that what is that? Above the material, there is one small arrow mark. You see there. There, right? Next material. Click on this. That list, what we show, it will show that next material here. Okay.
Sir, this availability exists only in the S4 or in the ECC, sir?
ECC also it is there. It's a normal. These functions are as ECC also. But the ECC, maybe the way you have to go inside, little different, I will tell you.
Okay, sir.
But the same option is there. Okay. Now, if you want to go to see the next material, what do you want to select? That next screen.
Next one.
So you guys, like this, you can keep on going and browsing the materials. Okay. So this is seeing the result. This is how you will see the material list. So you saw what are the list of materials run. Go back with the green.
So why does it say MDC7 here instead of MD04?
I don't know.
It should be MD04, right?
Check it, sir. Okay, go back.
Okay.
Take note of these points, then you learn these things. This is what, no? Okay, go back. Right, go back. Right, now we are having this first screen. Okay. So now, in the right side, you are having the screen which was before MRP run. Which are showing only the demand. Okay. Now, I want to see the result after MRP run. What I do? Just to refresh the page.
Refresh. Wow, it's changed.
So now I got all the proposals coming from system. If you see the proposals, all the demand, whatever the demand we put, those things are VSF, and they are showing in the negative point, -50. But whatever system is giving as the planned order, which is going to be the supply now. Whatever the planned order, which is going to be the supply, they are showing the positive. So whatever supply will be showing as positive, whatever the consumption or issue will be showing as negative. Now go little right side. Not this one. Above you use that scroll bar. Slightly move right side.
Okay.
See now, the available quantity, if you see, for every time it is calculating. See, first it is 0, then -50. Then there was a supply 50, it is becoming 0. Then there was supply of 40, it is becoming positive 40. Then requirement of 40, it is becoming 0. Like this, no, it is balancing. We go and see by end of this list, which is on 10th October or whatever it is, we saw that it is finally it is 0. This means demand and the supply are balanced.
Balanced. Okay.
Okay, the demand and supply are balanced. Right? So this is the MRP output of this gearbox. Now I want to see that MRP output of, because I already run MRP for this gearbox by exploding all the BOM components. On the left side, if you see, I selected all these things. So all the components also MRP should have run. Also, you can see here on the right side, on this MD04, whatever the planned order generated, what is the production version it used? That is also showing 001.
Oh wow, okay.
And also to which store location it has to go, that is also showing. And which store location, how it determined here? The store location of 171A it has to go.
It's from master data, sir.
Master data where?
Where we have near black flash, we have a storage location where we specify production location.
That not that external procurement, that the production location. Based on that, system has picked this. So once you produce this, the stock will go to this 171A. In your organization, you have different store location, other things, you can decide it. Those things are specific, organization specific. But how it is deciding, this is from this data. Okay, now go back with this green. Okay, so these are the things, you have to understand. Now, let us see this MD04 for one of the components. Maybe put that S002, CP1001. Okay, enter. See now, left side, move the left side. Now what is happening? Now the MRP is there for your maybe because we run MRP, right? All these dependent requirement also come here, and also purchase request is generated.
So I don't understand. So from where the safety stock also is come?
And then safety stock, where it is come?
Master data.
Master data. Yeah, I have
Go to the master data. Where is safety stock? Now you entered mind safety
50.
stock 50, no?
50.
Okay, sir.
Go back.
To go back, I need to move this fellow down. Okay.
Now the safety stock is 50, right? Now go little right. So the safety stock, you see the sign, it is negative.
Oh,
this is what it is a demand.
It is a demand, yeah. It is taking. Okay.
Now you go left side. Now before going to this component, first you put this IP1001. No, that you enter the metal there, the MD04 top material. No, IP1001. Yes, here put the IP1001.
001.
So now this IP101 is an input for what? Input for gearbox.
Correct.
That gearbox was required on 7th. It is available on 7th. What is that? 7th August. It should be available.
Okay.
Okay. That is
It
available.
means in MD04, sir, the parent will be displayed, right? Parent of the product which we display. Because gearbox is the head of the BOM and IP1 is the component of the BOM.
IP101 is there. That is required for what?
For its gearbox.
This page is analyzing that IP101, where it is required, how it will come. What are all the stock? What are all the issues? What are all the supplies? That is what is showing with respect to IP101. If it is used in gearbox, it will show the gearbox here. If it is used in gear motor, it will show the gear motor here, whatever it is.
So because it is used in gearbox, it says dependent requirement.
Yes, it is the requirement in IP. It is, we discussed now what is independent requirement, what is dependent requirement. So the IP101 is the dependent requirement for gearbox.
Gearbox. Okay.
The gearbox requirement was how much? 50. To meet that
Yes.
50, right? What is that come? Planned order 50 has come.
Okay. This one.
It has to produce. It has to produce 50 numbers, planned order.
Right. Okay.
Then there is another 50 gearbox is there on 10th there. Okay. There is a 10th. Then it is showing that on 40. Okay. Then
So this
on
one,
70.
this line here, this line would be the demand from input direct, which I've entered, right? This 40. And this is the order that is placed for the 50 dependent, correct?
What are you asking?
No, that's wrong, sir. So where did this 40 come from, sir? I'm rephrasing my question.
Your requirement is what? Your gearbox, we saw that now 50, 40, 50, 40, you saw that now you enter the plant, right?
Correct, yes, sir.
So these are the dependent requirements. So the input assembly is used, that is a dependent requirement to produce a gearbox.
Correct. Yeah.
Those things are showing here as the dependent requirements. 7th August, that gearbox we need 50 numbers. Then 10th August, we need gearbox 40 numbers. Then 17th August, we need the gearbox 50 numbers. Like this, it is showing as the requirements. First to see the requirements. These are dependent requirements. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Then for the requirements, you have to supply. So to supply what system is telling, it is creating the planned order. You have to produce the inline helical gearbox to meet the requirement of gearbox. So it is creating planned order for input assembly to produce a gearbox, which means that is a planned order for gearbox 50 numbers. Correct. Now you click on the display button near the planned order. The left side, there is a display button. Yes, left. Display here. Click on this. See, it is showing this is a planned order generated for the quantity of 50 numbers, which is having finish date of 8th August, start date of 7th August, opening date is 7th August. These are the details you are getting here. Okay. Now you close this. This is the planned order for this particular input, which means the input I am going to produce on this date. Is it clear? Now you go to that left side screen. No, there you put MD04. The left screen. No, the left hand side screen. The screen
left hand side. Okay.
Put that MD04. Put a gearbox there.
Good one, sir. Yeah.
Okay. See now, system has created, there is a demand for gearbox, correct? VSF.
Yes. Yes.
So to produce a gearbox, we have a planned order.
Mm.
No, wait, in the gearbox itself be there.
Oh, yeah. You're right, sir. Yeah.
There is a planned order for gearbox, 744. Planned order number is 744. That is to produce a gearbox.
Gearbox.
If I want to produce a gearbox, what do I need?
Well, you need all the inputs and the other components, sir.
Right. Now the input is used in the gearbox, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is happening now? System run the next level BOM explosion. So it is going and checking whether my input is required or not. So
Yes.
this requirement, 744 is going and sitting as the dependent requirement. The dependent requirement, the right side, you click on that display button. Display button. Top. Okay. Again, one more. You have to compare here 1 to 1 here. Yes, that one. Click on it.
This one. Okay.
So that is a dependent requirement. See, here
744. Yes.
To produce this planned order 744, that is a dependent requirement. So system has to show from where it is required. So now that dependent requirement, where is it coming from? That is coming from this gearbox planned order. Right. So here in the gearbox page, this planned order 744 is the supply. You get this? In the gearbox page, 744 is the supply. Now you close this page on this, what is it? This one. Here, that the same thing, it is the requirement in this input. Because input I have to give it to gearbox to produce a gearbox. So it is become as a requirement. So it is showing a minus.
So this is 50 minus and this is 50 plus because it is a, okay.
Now that 50 minus is there for input subassembly that I have to produce. So system is proposing planned order with the 50, that's 755. Okay. Similarly, you check that next line item. 745.
745. Okay. Then
where do you check?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, not there. It's here.
You have to check the dependent requirement.
Okay, this one. Yes, sir.
So it is a dependent requirement for the gearbox. So it is a requirement for that particular plant order. So you can find out the link. These particular gearbox or input where it is getting used. That link it is established like this one by one. Are you getting? Is it clear this point?
Yes, sir.
Kani, are you there?
It's clear for me, sir. It's clear for me, sir.
But your segment, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now on the left hand side, instead of gearbox, put component CP1001. Because now CP101 is what? It is used to produce the input.
Correct.
Right. Now see the first line item. It is used as the dependent requirement for IP101, 50 numbers. Now you want to know what is the dependent requirement. How do you find out the dependent requirement for IP101 here?
I put it here, like here in the right hand side screen. And
right.
then it will
already it is there.
Oh, sorry,
No,
there.
You are in the CP101. How do you find out that particular dependent requirement? Where is it used?
it's display on the dependent requirement IP1001, sir. It means CP1001 act as an input for CP1001.
You get this or not, Sigmund?
No, sir.
See now that right hand side IP101 is there.
Yes, sir.
That one I was having the dependent requirement of gearbox. How did you find out that the gearbox it was used How did you find out?
Because
No,
it
be
had
in the right hand
dependent,
side page only.
yeah, it had dependent requirement here.
Then what did you do with that?
I checked, I clicked on this display, and then it showed the links like
It was
744.
showing the 744 the plant order for gearbox. Similarly, I want to know the component CP1001. It is showing that the dependent requirement for IP1001 on the left hand side. Now I want to understand from where it is coming from. So how do I get it?
I click here.
So it is showing it is coming from the plant order 755, which you can see on the right hand side.
Correct.
Right.
Yes.
So to produce this plant order 755 50 numbers, which is the supply for IP, which I have to produce that plant order 755, I need this component 1001. That is why it is become as the dependent requirement in case of CP1001. Close this. It has become the dependent requirement. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. This become a dependent requirement. Okay.
You can check the other things also. Maybe this is very important. This is a basic thing you need to understand when MD04, where the source is coming from. Because stock requirement list is what? It is showing what is the stock, what is the issue, what is the requirement, which means that you should know where the requirement is coming from.
Component 1. This means component 1 is used in input 1, correct?
Yes.
And the component 1 we need it has a dependent requirement. This is where I get a little bit muddled up. So dependent requirement of 50 pieces for IP 101. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So yeah, it's needed in input, and that can be seen if you just click on this. It will show you that this is the planned order.
Now here it is showing that the dependent requirement IP101 date is showing as 7th August. Okay, the date is showing as 7th August. It should be available on 7th August. It is showing. It is required for this particular IP101 on 7th August. Why it is showing on 7th August? You see that planned order. What is the planned order number there? That is the 755. Okay. Now you go here to the planned order 750 on the right hand side. You display this. Display button. So what is the start date here?
7th of August.
7th August. So which means that you have to start this input assembly on 7th August. So your component should be available on 7th August.
Okay.
You understand?
But then why is it showing 9th of August here, sir?
What?
This is showing 9th of August. That is the completion.
Okay, right. Now 9th of August it is showing it is a available date. Now there is one button here on the MD04, just above this MRP element. There is a GR.
This one.
Click on it. See, now the date is changed. The 9th August changed to 8th August. Okay. Now you click on the AV again. Now the 8th August changed to 9th August.
Why?
Okay. Why? Can you have any answer?
Because maybe the GR time is 1 day.
Yeah.
So
now you click on this planned order display. Planned order display, you click. Go to the display. No. Sorry. Here, no. Wait. Here you have the order start date. Order is finished on 8th. But my GR processing time further is 1 day. So my GR date is 8th August, which means I am receiving it. But it is available only after 1 day.
1 day. Okay.
That is why MD04 when you open, as a default, it will show the available date. So that is why
Okay.
that 8th, 9th, those things will come. Close this. So here it is showing us 9th August as the available date, but your finishing date is 8th August. Your planned order start date is 7th August, which means on 7th, this component should be available. So here in the left-hand side, CP1004, system is telling that the component on 7th August, you should be available as the dependent requirement for 1P1001. Is it clear?
Repeat this again, last statement, sir.
Can you tell this?
Actually, Sigmund, to do what can I say? In the IP1001, you know, the first line is dependent requirement. Okay, just click on the display. Okay, it says to generate the gearbox, it should be available. Requirement date is on 7/8/2023. Okay.
Okay.
So to assemble gearbox, we need IP1001. Okay, to make IP1001, we need CP1001. Okay.
No, wait.
So in
No.
CP1,
We are confusing here a little bit. You're
okay,
taking
sir.
gearbox, then you're telling. First, you have to check the planned order of the input here, not this demand of gearbox.
Okay, sir.
Go to the planned order.
Just planned order, it's 755. Okay,
that you
open
display.
755.
Yes.
Yeah. The order start date is 7/7/08. Okay.
So this is the plan order for IP1001, correct?
Yes, planned order for IP1001. Okay, its start date is
7th. Okay.
7th of August. To complete that, we have one date. Its completing date is
8th of August. Yeah.
8th of August. But next to that, we have 1 day processing, GR processing time.
Correct. Yeah. This
Okay. So we need to add 1. So it's displaying as 9.
9. Okay, that is displaying. 1 second.
Okay.
It's showing 9. Now this
But
all
in
this
order
information. All this information is for IP1001, correct?
IP1001.
Okay,
to
fine.
do the IP1001, we need CP1001. Okay.
Wait, I don't see that. How do I see that here? How do I see that?
Can you just go to the dependent demand in CP1001?
No, wait. What do you want, Sigmund?
Yeah, so I want to know, looking at this, how do I know that CP1001 is dependent on this IP1001? I cannot see from this screen.
You
Can I
cannot
see
see
from
here
this?
because you cannot see
This is
because
okay.
this is the product you are going to produce. But you can see that. How you can do that? Click on the display here, the planned order. Okay. Now there is a further display here. Click there.
This one?
So now on the top left, small component structure. Yes, click on it. Now it is showing what are the components required for this input.
Okay.
You can find out which are all the components. Not only the CP1001, you have other components also required for this input subassembly. Right? But that is not the important point what we are discussing now. Please understand.
No.
Okay, go back.
Okay.
Right. The important point is how do we make the link between requirement and the supply? That is what we are discussing. Now you continue this. No, for example, this planned order is starting on 7th August.
My component should be available before or on 7th August.
That the component CP1001 should be available on 7th August. That is what is reflecting in this CP1001 page as the requirement data on 7th August. Is it clear?
One sec. So here the number here is 755, correct? For 50 pieces. We saw 755 in the left-hand side screen. So where did we see that 755? Was it this one?
You see that. Now you should show.
Okay. Right. So now this one is linked to this one.
Similarly, see
it
the
is-
next dependent requirement also.
Sigmund, if you place this two screen in the another way, I think you will understand easily. Keep this one in the left and right, so you will understand it properly.
Okay. So you want me to go? Oh, what happened then? Okay, so I'll
Yeah,
push this on the right.
He's
Okay.
asking you to swap the screen.
Yeah, I'm swapping.
just grab the screen.
Okay.
Now you can understand properly, I hope so.
Okay, I've swapped.
Okay. Can you understand? If we have planned order, on 9th, we have the planned order of 755. This
Correct.
on the okay. If I have the planned order in one component, I mean in the item component, it should go as a dependent demand on the another item. Okay. Okay. Display the dependent demand on 7th. You can find 755 here in the screen of input is 755.
Okay, so now here the date is 7th of August, and here for the planned order it's 9th of August. So it means that this component should be available on the 7th of August for us to.
Exactly.
Now I understood completely, sir.
Okay.
Kani, thank you. Yeah, understood.
Okay, go to the next item now. That another one now, it is showing on 8th August.
8th of. Okay, this
now
one.
anytime this line will cut, no problem. Once the line is cut, you please explore this like this. 756 is there. You check the 756. What is the start date and all. Okay. Now let us close this. We'll resume, but you please continue to explore this segment. Okay.
Okay.